Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chisholm. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my eyeliner and my inner corner eyeliner really perfect and really straight. This is the eyeliner I use. It's from the brand Ruby Kisses. I get it from the beauty supply store because it's cheap and it works. So before I start, I kind of wipe off this brush. Having less product makes it more precise. I keep my eyes open and I take the brush and I extend my bottom waterline up. So I use that as a guide. I use light strokes to kind of sketch out my line. This is the key to making it really pointy. When I bring the line back down, I don't start at the top. I kind of start a little bit lower. And then I fill it in. So the fact that I didn't start all the way up here makes it so that the line from the bottom is just very like pointy and straight. Now I can put more product on the brush. I fill that in. Keep my eyes open the whole time because you want it to look good while your eyes are open. It doesn't really matter how they look when they're closed because your eyes are open throughout the day. Then I connect that all the way to the top. And I do stretch my eye out when I do this because I just want to make sure there are no gaps. The last thing I do is I bring this straight across up here so that it's more straight and there's not a dip right there. This is what it looks like so far. And then for the inner corner, I go and I take the product off the brush again so that I can sketch out very precise lines. And then I do the same thing. I bring out the bottom waterline. I just follow the natural path that it makes. So like the other line, I don't start bringing it in directly from the point. I leave a little bit of a space. And then when you get your outline, you can fill it in. And then extend it also as far as you want. And then I fill in this top area so that there's no gaps and the whole thing is straight. If you need to clean it up, take a brush with some concealer on it and you can make it even sharper. You can do that in the front too. That's how you get this inner corner eyeliner. As you can see, it's very sharp. This is how it looks with lashes.